Configuration of some of the settings in the Manufacturer Setup tool are critical for almost every site to send orders to the appropriate manufacturer. The most critical thing to configure in the Manufacturer Setup tool is to add at least one delivery method. We support several types of delivery methods. Some of the most common are email, FTP, XML export, which can be used to import ordered data into your MIS system, and to send orders to PageDNA's imposition software. A site needs to have at least one manufacturer. If there is more than one manufacturer and a user orders items produced by different manufacturers in the same ordering session, only the order information and production files specific to that manufacturer will be sent to them. You can add an email delivery method yourself. Other types need to be added by PageDNA. Please send an email to PageDNA support if you need something other than an email delivery method. And now let's take a look at Manufacturer Setup and how to configure an email delivery method. There are a few ways to access Manufacturer Setup within the dashboard. The first is from the home page, which we are viewing now. The Getting Started task list is available if the site is in either build mode or test mode. Click on the Manufacturer Setup link in the Getting Started task list to open the Manufacturer Setup tool. The second is to type Manufacturer Setup in the navigation search field at the top left to locate it within the navigation bar, and then open the Manufacturer Setup tool. The third is to expand the integration section and select Manufacturer Setup to open the tool. On a new site, nobody will probably be the only manufacturer, and it is an email delivery method. This needs to be changed. Each product or item on a site needs to have a delivery method associated with it. If a delivery method other than email has been added to your account, you can select a delivery method from the drop-down list under the Add section. If you need something other than email and it is not available under the Add section, please contact PageDNA support. Let's create a new email delivery method now. And click the Apply Changes button. We can associate products with the delivery method now, or we can do it later. I'm going to do it later, and click the Apply Changes button. Let's take a look at the configuration options for email delivery methods by clicking on the Edit link for the one we just created. If you need to CC more than one email address, separate the email address by just a comma and no spaces in the Email CC field. Require receipt is used infrequently. It is for third-party manufacturers to acknowledge receipt of orders. Send items individually is rarely used. Please see our documentation for information about both of these settings. If the delivery method is shared with another site, there will be an Edit Shared button above the delivery method configuration fields if you need to change settings shared with the other site or sites. And now let's head to the Shipping tab. If you need to calculate real-time shipping from a location other than the one in the site's Site Info tool, add the manufacturer's city, state, and zip code in the Shipping tab. PageDNA supports shipping from more than one location. Shipping to more than one location is not currently supported. And now for the Tech Contact tab. Please set a technical contact. This is who should be contacted if there is a problem with delivery of orders. The technical contact is important if you require the manufacturer to acknowledge receipt. This email address will be contacted automatically regarding any orders that have not been confirmed as having been received. If there is no technical contact specified for the manufacturer, the site's customer service email address will be notified of unconfirmed orders. If you've made any changes, click the Apply Changes button or Done Editing. If you need to associate products with a delivery method, click the Products link. You'll be shown a list of products on the site so you can associate them with the manufacturer. You can use the Select All link or enable individual checkboxes for products that should be delivered to this manufacturer. You can also set the manufacturer for an item in the item editor by editing the item and selecting the item's Product Info tab. I'm going to select all the products and apply changes. Notice that one of the manufacturers is set as the default. This manufacturer will be selected automatically when creating new items on the site. Select Make Default to change the site's default manufacturer, and we'll make the new email delivery method the default. The Nobody delivery method needs to be removed. Click Unlink to remove it from the current section. Please see our documentation for information about other settings and other delivery methods.